Hey guys, Harsh here, back in the video. So today in this video I'm going to unbox and review the Mini GT LB Super Silhouette S15 Silvia, and as you can see this is a pretty nice model. And one thing in particular that I really don't like the S15 bodywork, but as the time has passed I tend to like it. So this is a pretty nice model and it comes with a nice chrome wheels as well, rims with the blueprint inside as you can see in the photo there. So this is a simple Mini GT package as you can see, obviously with the license there from Nissan, and this is Mini GT number 490. So if you are looking to buy it, you can just type in Mini GT 490 and you will find it right away. So now let's just quickly unbox it and see what's inside, which is the car itself as you can see. So pretty standard Mini GT packaging for literally every vehicles except for those two that are sitting over there. They have some sort of different packaging. So here's the car, pops out nice and easy, and first impression, looks very good. The paint job and the bodywork is absolutely amazing and spot on, and the wheels here are given a very nice camber look to them, but they don't actually have any camber sort of in them. They are just straight wheels, and makes it a pretty nice freeloader. So if you want to just roll it around or play it as a toy, you can just quite simply do that. So let's start with the front, and as you can see we have LBWK logo on both the left side and right side of the front bumper. You can see pretty nicely visible, along with the identity logo. Front lip you can see a very nicely printed Nissan logo. Moving on to the headlights, these are plastic inserts, but they don't have any reflective surface inside them, so a bit disappointing from Mini GT, but still a plastic insert headlight is better than a printed headlight. Now on the hood there you can see we have some vents over here, so the insides of them are just painted white, although I think in real life they are painted black. So would have been nice to see that minute detail there, but I think we can just take a brush and just paint it black ourselves, so that way it will look a lot nicer. Now if we take a look at the side fender here, we can see we have a really nice paint job there that goes all the way to the back, and if we take a closer look at the wheels itself, you can see they are slightly chrome. So the outer side of the rim is chrome and the spokes on the rim are painted blue, so that gives a very nice look to the car as well. And as you can see the wheels are slightly offset, same here as you can see, because they have some sort of camber going on, but I'm really not sure if they did that intentionally or just a manufacturing defect. So moving on, at the windshield we have some windshield wipers along with the Autofins logo there, with a very nice sort of metallic on matte finish logo there. So this looks really nice, though if it were an all black car then this would look absolutely fantastic, but on this car it is slightly like underplayed, but still it looks pretty good though. And then moving on to the side mirrors, as always they are hard rubber and do not have any reflective surface on them, so that's pretty standard from Mini GT. And if you try to look at the interior, there is nothing much there except for the seats and the roll cage inside, which is painted in blue color. And obviously you can just open up this car. It is quite easy to do so with these two screws over here. It will just remove the whole body, and from there then you can just get some water slide decals to paste on the inside or the interior of the car to make it look more detailed, just like the Anno 64 versions like they do. But still looks pretty good though. I mean, for me the interior doesn't really matter that much, so I like the way it is. Then on the door there we can see we have another Autofins logo along with the door handle there, which is, I mean, for the price and the size they have done a quite nice job there. If you look at the car from the top, you can see the wide body kit that is installed on this particular car. So this section over here and this section over here sticking out quite a bit from the door panel as you can see. So moving on, at the back side we can see we have another nicely detailed wheel along with the nuts in there, which is pretty nice. The 99 number is quite nicely printed and visible, along with the British flag and the identity logo right at the bottom there as you can see at the back bumper. Then moving on to the spoiler there, we can see we have a nicely detailed Nissan logo, and on the back windshield there you can see we have so by the looks of it looks like Black Fizz design or something, some company like that, but I'm not sure. But that just really shows that how the print quality is on this car. So if I was knowing the company, then I would have picked it up quite nicely there. And obviously at the roof we have another Autofins logo, and along with their slogan, which is the art of detailing, and I think it is present at the bottom as well, but not really sure if you could read that. And also there you can see we have something written in Japanese, so for those who know Japanese, just let me know what it is there. Now moving on to the back of the car. We can see we have plastic inserts brake lights which are painted red on the inside, which I quite like. When you shine the light on them, the red really pops out, unlike the front one which don't have anything, I guess. And we have another logo which is HJA, which I think I don't know what that stands for, but surely look into it. And we have a nice and empty space for the license plate, so I'm guessing the original car doesn't have any license plate, so they just leave that empty there. But surely I think I can find something to place it on there. And on the underneath of the spoiler, you can see we have another Autofins logo. And then finally, if we look at from this angle, we can see we have a huge diffuser there to go underneath the car and complete the look. So that is it for this review. I hope you really like the S15 in this Autofins review. And if you have any comments or doubts, you can obviously comment down below and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you all in the next one.